Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to manage Google Photos like a pro on a PC in 2026. First, open Google Photos in your web browser and sign in to your Google account. Start by using the search bar at the top. You can quickly find photos by date, location, people, or objects. Next, organize your photos by creating albums. Select multiple photos, click Add to Album, and create a new album with a clear name. You can also mark important photos as favorites by clicking the star icon. This helps you quickly access your best photos anytime. If you want a cleaner photo library, use the archive option. Archived photos remain in your account, but no longer appear in the main Photos view. Google Photos also includes basic editing tools. Open a photo, click Edit, and adjust brightness, contrast, or crop the image. To share photos, click the Share button and send them through a link or another Google account. For offline access, click the three-dot menu and choose Download to save photos to your computer. It's also a good idea to check the trash folder occasionally to restore accidentally deleted photos before they are permanently removed. By using albums, favorites, archives, search, editing, sharing, and downloads, you can manage your Google Photos library much more efficiently. That's it. This is how to manage Google Photos like a pro on a PC in 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.